for the network. As you may know, Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoin is created and transactions are verified on the blockchain. This process requires a tremendous amount of computation approximately every 2 weeks in order to maintain a stable block production rate of 1 block every 10 minutes. This difficulty adjustment is based on the total amount of computational power, or hash rate being used on the network. Recently, Bitcoin mining difficulty has increased by over 6%, reaching a new all-time high of 23.14 trillion. This increase in difficulty is due to the growing hash rate of the network, which has also been setting new records in recent weeks. While an increase in mining difficulty may seem like bad news for miners, it's actually a positive sign for the health of the network. Secure the network, making it more difficult for attackers to manipulate the blockchain. It's also worth noting that an increase in mining difficulty often leads to an increase in the price of Bitcoin. This is because miners need to sell their newly mined Bitcoin in order to cover their operating costs, and a higher difficulty level means they need to mine more Bitcoin to do so. This increased demand for Bitcoin can drive up the price. Of course, this increase in difficulty also means that mining Bitcoin is becoming increasingly challenging and expensive. Miners need to invest in more powerful hardware in order to keep up with the growing hash rate, which can be costly. Despite the challenges, mining Bitcoin can still be a profitable venture for those with the right resources and expertise. And as the network continues to grow and evolve, we can expect to see further increase block in the Bitcoin network. It is adjusted every 2016 blocks, or roughly every 2 weeks, and the aim is to ensure that the block production rate stays at around 10 minutes per block. The latest adjustment saw the mining difficulty increase by 8.9% on June 13, 2021, which was the first increase since May 2020. This increase was expected as the network hash rate has been steadily increasing over the past few months. The network hash rate is the total computational power of all the devices mining Bitcoin, and it has been on an upward trend since January 2021, reaching an all-time high of over 180 exahashes per second, A/s, in May 2021. This means that the network is becoming more secure as it becomes increasingly difficult for any single entity to control more than 50% of the hash rate and potentially compromise the network. The increase in mining difficulty is among miners to earn block rewards and transaction fees. With the recent Bitcoin price volatility and the upcoming halving event in 2024, miners are looking for ways to maximize their profits while also maintaining the stability and security of the network. Some miners may opt to upgrade their equipment to more powerful and energy-efficient models, while others may choose to pool their resources and form mining pools to increase their chances of earning block rewards. In recent months, there has been a significant increase in the hash rate, which can be attributed to the deployment of new mining equipment by major mining companies. This increase in hash rate has led to an increase in the difficulty of mining new blocks, which makes it harder for miners to earn new Bitcoins. In order to ensure that new blocks are produced at a consistent rate of approximately 1 block every 10 minutes. Despite this, many miners continue to join the network in the hopes of profiting from Bitcoin's current high price and potential for future growth. This is particularly true for larger mining operations, which are better equipped to handle the increased difficulty and associated costs. Another important factor to consider is the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, particularly in light of the increasing difficulty and associated costs. Bitcoin mining is known to consume a significant amount of energy, with some estimates suggesting that the network's energy consumption is equivalent to that of a small country. However, there are efforts underway to develop more sustainable and energy-efficient methods of mining Bitcoin, such as using renewable energies and other innovations to reduce the energy consumption of their operations. Finally, while it may present challenges for smaller miners, it also signals greater competition and potential security for the network. As the Bitcoin market continues to evolve, it will be important for miners and other stakeholders to consider the environmental impact of mining and to develop more sustainable methods of operation. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily updates on the cryptocurrency markets and news.